Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Investor. Today I'm going to discuss Dash. So everybody knows I've been talking about Dash from the past 4-5 months since November 2020, and I've been super bullish on Dash, and we have been in an accumulation period from quite some time now. And from the past 5 to 6 weeks, Dash is really showing why they will be super pumps. Dash went from literally $100 to $300 in a single week. We all remember that in February, and then it went sideways for maybe 5 to 7 weeks, and now we are seeing it breaking out, and hopefully we will be able to close above $400 this week. We are in the middle of this week. The month of May has just started, and by the way, May is usually very bullish for the mid cap, so that is why you see so many coins popping up like crazy, like Ethereum Classic, which I'm discussed just 3 days back. I mean, that has been pumping like crazy, and same goes for other coins like Nano. All these mid caps, they are going crazy. That's because the money actually flows from Bitcoin then to large caps like Litecoin and Ethereum. We saw them pumping like crazy, and now the money is now flowing from the large caps to mid caps, and then the mid caps, the money will flow from mid caps to epic shit coins. Then you will see every shitcoin on unknown exchanges pumping like crazy. Look, whales need to make money, and that is how they're making it. So anyway, we'll be discussing the Dash USD pair as well as Dash BTC pair in this video, and we'll be discussing the other targets and the targets to look out for after this. So once if this week, which is highly probable, we are able to close above $400, the next target will be somewhere in the $550 range. And this I've turned this indicator called Ichimoku on this chart, which also tells us that we have very strong support at around $307. However, on the daily, if we make correction, which is normal for coins, we have very strong support at somewhere around $353 here. So don't be surprised if Dash comes down and tests $350 or even $334 before making its move to the upside. So the MACD is very bullish. However, RSI, we are approaching the overbought range now, so be prepared for little pullbacks here and there, and this is more evident on the 4-hour chart. We see some weakness here. Some weakness is evident here. Also, we are overbought here again, so I'm expecting Dash to have a little bit of correction. I won't be surprised, even on the 4-hour chart, you can see that if we come down, there's a huge probability that we may touch the $362 before making its way up. But we are not here to discuss these things. I mean, right? I mean, you're here to make money in the long term. So on the weekly chart, the next major resistance is somewhere around $500. So, I often see this hashtag Dash to 500 trending on Twitter. So that's very probable. It's very easy for Dash to touch, and after $558, Dash will skyrocket directly to $900. So direct teleportation to $900. After that, sky's the limit. After crossing $900, it won't take much time for Dash to touch its previous all-time high of somewhere between $1,600 and $1,700. On the BTC side, let's see the BTC. Dash is by the way one of the biggest gainers today. You can clearly see that. Ethereum Classic making huge jumps. Same goes for Dash. So where's Dash BTC pair? Where is it? I will just type it out then. Dash BTC, and we'll be again going with the Poloniex chart since it offers the maximum. It offers the most history. So this is what I drew last month, and I also said that once we are able to close above the 0.007, we will see mega pumps, and we are approaching that very resistance area. So you can see that we touched it, and now we may come down and retest 0.0063 before making our move up. But Dash is a very explosive coin. Once it starts moving, it moves like crazy. But nothing goes up without corrections. So every corrections are part of the game, and I wouldn't be surprised if we test 0.0063. But the best part is we have entered this resistance area now, and I'm very confident that we will be able to stay above 0.006, which is this resistance red cloud that you see here. And personally, if Dash really wants to moon, Dash will have to close above 0.01. So this is the next resistance area on the Dash BTC pair. And let me adjust these ratio levels. If you entered here, you're already in profit, and right now we are here. So my next target on the Dash BTC pair is this, the red, and the corner of this, the border of this red cloud wedges, which will give you 47% profit. So 0.01 is my next target. Probably we will touch it this month. But you see this resistance area, I mean, there's something called law of diminishing returns, and in this cycle, I think this will act as major barriers, and we have tested this level a lot of times in the past. It has acted as resistance, you can see that. So my target for this cycle is 0.015 and 0.026. I don't think we'll be going more. We'll be going higher than that in this cycle. We may come down, accumulate a little bit, and then we will again touch 0.11 Dash. Yes, Dash touched that very level, and I think Dash has the capability to do it, and maybe we'll go even higher than that on the BTC pair. But that's our long-term target. For short-term, I'll be very happy if Dash is able to touch 0.01 and 0.017. So I'll be selling. I'll start selling my bags after 0.01 and 0.017. So feel free to screenshot this. Let me hide the Ichimoku indicator, and these are my levels for Dash support and still levels for Dash. Hope you like this video. Give this video a like. That's all I need from you guys. And stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, ICO news, and pass on these videos like these. Bye bye.